Okay, in this example of floating point binary arithmetic for A-level computing, what we're going to look at is a negative number example. And when we look at this number in front of us now, with 10-bit mantissa and 6-bit exponent, note that it's going to be a negative number because the most significant bit, which is here indicated by the arrow, does have a value of 1, and as you know, it's the sign bit. So if the sign bit equals 1, it means the answer, or the value here for the most significant bit, is going to be negative. In fact, its value is actually worth -1. The reason why it's worth -1 is because the binary point is going to be what follows. Let me just indicate that. BP, binary point. So what I'm going to add to -1 are the fractional values that make up the rest of the mantissa. And that's worked out like this. The next position has a 0, that's where a half would be, so there's nothing there, so I'm not going to use a half. The next position is a quarter, there's nothing there, so I'm not going to use a quarter. But the next one is a 1, and that value is worth 1/8. There's another one that follows that, and the next value on the fixed fractional system is 1/16. Following that there's a 0, so 1/32 will not be included in this calculation. However, the next value is a 1, so that will be 1/64. Let's work out what they are as actual decimal values. So I'll have -1. This is following on, so it's -1 plus 0.125 plus 0.0625 plus 0.15625. If I add all of those together, the final answer I will arrive at is -0.796875. Just underline that and we'll keep that safe for a minute. I now need to look at the exponent. The exponent is over here, it's made up of 6 bits. So let's just draw a box here, work this out. Exponent is 0,0,0,110, and that actually has use of the 2 and the 4 in the binary weighting system. So what's that going to equal? Well, that's going to equal 4 plus 2 is 6, so my exponent is going to be 6. So now I'm in a position to work out the final solution. The final solution will come from working out this calculation. -0.796875, the value of my mantissa, multiplied by 2. 2 because it's a binary system, it's a two-state system, so we always multiply by 2 to the power something. That's 2 to the power exponent, which is a 6. So if I take my -0.796875 and times 2 to the power 6, the answer that I will arrive at is -51, which is indeed a negative number answer. And that's the end of this example.